This is Cheeky Seats. Today we are going to be showing how to put a PCX seat cover on, a padded one. Your seat may be connected to the bike. We don't have a PCX, so we just have to use our seat. You can remove it, or you can work directly on the bike. So the first thing that we want to show you is how the seat cover is padded. This is the inside. We use sometimes different fabrics. Yours will probably be black. We use this to show well what we're doing. We have a secondary pad that we put in that goes right over the offending area, and you all know what that offending area is. So this is the seat cover, this is how it comes, and so we're going to put it on. So we usually start at the back, and your bike will be connected. So starting at the rear. It's a very simple process. It goes on. I mean, if you can put your shirt on, you can put one of our seat covers on. So there it is in a loose fit. Tightening it up on the sides, just pulling it in. We have a guideline here that is a black line that should line up with the edge of your seat all the way around and can be an indicator of correct positioning. So pull that, and if you see that it's not there, you got the cover on wrong. Once you get it positioned, pull the cord really tight. You can see how tight and far we can pull that. If you need to, you can tie this into a knot and tuck it up underneath if you feel this is slipping. So then the biggest part is the massaging. Put it down. The biggest part is the massaging to get that all smoothed out. Don't accept less than a perfect fit. This one has the red stitching, which is a nice detail. You can get different color stitchings if you want. And there you have neutralized that horrible hump zone. You can fill the hump in a little bit if you want. We can email you instructions on how to do that. And if you want, you could actually shoot a couple staples in if you just wanted to staple it here and here on the sides, but you don't have to. This is good to ride on as it is. And so that is it. Thanks.